So for example, let's say, I have a value here for my lid that this means it's open. When I blink, instead of just making the character blink in 3 frames, I would try to create this ease out, right? And then you're gonna go faster, look, blink. It's gonna hit hard. And then on the way back, when you start to open, it's a bit of an ease out. And then you're gonna have a big cushioning here, so it doesn't hit a wall on the way back. That's like the most important thing on a blink. I feel like just to feel more, organic, right? So it creates this kind of shark thin curve shape, and here it's kind of hitting a wall, right? Click, do the one of that. So I would put almost the same amount of frames to close and open. I would put in here as a cushion. I'll go back and just keyframe this. So now you have this kind of, let's do, like, for example, the character going from this to something like this to something extreme like this, for example. So what could you do to make this look cool and appealing? If I have this and play blast, it's gonna look everything too morphy, even though I could favor and hold poses, but it's gonna feel morphy because everything is moving at the same time. Things first is my eye mask. The second is the jaw line here. Maybe I could play with this a little bit.